So our current system for efficiency, how efficient is our current system? Well, a lot of what happened in this recent bubble, the stock prices went down in 2001, so the rich folks were wondering what to do with their money, and they take it out of stocks because paying very low returns, and they start putting it into land. And when you have more and more people putting it into land, the price of land starts to go up. So we learn in all economics classes the law of demand. It's not just a theory, it's a law, that when price goes up, demand goes down. But actually in a speculative market, when price goes up, demand goes up. So we see in speculation, if the price goes up, your demand goes up, the value of your assets goes up, which allows you to borrow more money because now you have more collateral to invest in more assets, and you get this huge leveraging. You're borrowing huge amounts of money to invest in these speculative properties, which drives up the price of the properties faster and faster and faster, and that's a positive feedback loop. It's not a negative feedback loop going to equilibrium, but a positive feedback loop that cannot persist in any natural system and inevitably must collapse. And then we get the downside of the bubble. So what happens though is our banking system loans money into existence hand over fist when the economy is booming. Firms want to invest, speculators want to invest. The banks believe that because of the growing value of their assets, they'll always be paid back. They loan money hand over fist, creating huge amounts of money, stimulating the economic boom. And then when the crash comes, the banks suddenly realize that people don't have the collateral, that they're overextended, and they get paid back as fast as possible. So they destroy the money supply. So why did we have to come in the latest crisis and issue huge, try to get the government to put out a huge amount of money with debt? Money in our system is based on debt. When people are trying to deleverage, get rid of their debt, our money supply goes away, and you need the government to step in. But we've designed a system that exacerbates bubbles and exacerbates crashes.